So we're on our way to Brother Bruno's Pizzeria. Oh, and we have Ninang Zoo with us today. Hi. With Logan in the back.
Hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Hi. And Dad.
From the dark side there is.
Oh, that's so cold.
It's not that bad.
Head northwest on 40th
So
Avenue toward
somebody
23rd
requested us
Street.
to go check them out. So we're going to go do that right now.
Your destination is on the right.
See it, brothers?
Brother Bruno's.
We finally made it here. Alright. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Do we have any other... What's up, guys? Where's the Fruit Loops? Where's the... Our first time we had some, we had a few people tell us to come here, so we wanted to check this place out.
I'm going to get pizza first and then...
We got that menu over there.
Is that what you wanted to try?
This is what they wanted us to try right here.
Dessert pizza?
Yep, all the requests. Logan, are you ready for some pizza? Yeah? I am not crazy about this place. The people here are not friendly. The workers here are not friendly whatsoever. Get Logan a pizza.
A pepperoni or regular.
Get a pepperoni?
Yes.
We'll see how the dessert is because it looks like they make it fresh. So since that's like, you know, that was our main thing of coming here.
Coming here
our
was
main reason
for
of
dessert.
coming here for the dessert. So hopefully that will make up for all this.
Yeah, hopefully.
I also told that the burgers are awesome, but I don't feel like eating a burger right now. So.
And the burgers look really good on the wall, I guess, the picture. But yeah, we're just gonna get this dessert. I just want dessert and see how this goes. So we'll figure it out.
Daddy, don't blow it.
You gonna blow it? Okay, you blow it.
No, I don't like to blow it. I just want to eat it.
You wanna eat it like that?
Yes.
What you got, sir?
So apparently they don't tell you the specials unless you go on Instagram. I don't have Instagram.
A spinach roll.
Spinach cheese roll.
A regular
Pizza. I mean pepperoni
pizza. What did you order?
I ordered a steak sub, a cheesesteak sub. Like a Philly cheesesteak.
You don't even know what you ordered.
It says cheesesteak sub.
Oh my god, what is that?
My guess is
Did
it's
you
Philly
guys just see
cheesesteak.
what that was?
There's peanut butter in the middle, the whole crust is stuffed.
So everything inside is peanut butter?
Yeah, the whole inside.
What? What kind of cookies on top? Just regular?
Peanut butter cookie dough.
And what else goes on top of that?
These people asked for Oreos and Reese's, crumbled Reese's.
What? On top of that? Is that like a custom made thing?
Yeah.
So,
You
okay,
could
so
order
you
whatever you want. Whatever you can think of, if I got it, we'll do it.
What? Okay, so look at that.
That's crumbled Oreos.
Look at that. And top it off some Hershey. That looks really good.
Let me know. I
Alright.
got the dessert menus. If not, you guys follow us on Instagram?
No.
We didn't know about it.
We didn't know
Whatever you
about
see,
it.
if you look it up, whatever you see, I can make for you. Anything.
Look at what Sue ordered. Sue ordered like a...
If I knew that they had that, I would have ordered that.
Right.
Like, whatever thing with the waffle and the mac and cheese, but I didn't.
And Logan got a little...
A little boo-boo, but you're giving you a thumbs up.
boo-boo down here. Thumbs up. Yeah, so Sue got that.
Other thumbs up.
Other thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
Here for now.
Where are you gonna get
Thumbs
dessert?
down.
Because I'm making space for dessert. That's why I ordered something
Thumbs
small.
down. Thumbs down.
You got a thumbs down, buddy.
Why are
Because
you
your hands
thumbs
are
down,
dirty.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, yes.
So I have
So-
a list of like 50 different options, which is 4
So
different
you
kinds.
have that list? Oh, that's the only list that was there?
Got a list?
Okay, this is it, right? So we can split it like that. Like we can have 2 slices each, whatever we want, and mix any of this.
Any of those 4.
Okay. I'm gonna do this and we're gonna get back to you. Alright, thanks. This is the menu we was looking at. So you could do a whole pie and do 2 slices. And Sue can get something too. She's like, wait, and I get 2? Dude, I got 4. I got 4 slices I'm eating.
So we'll do Nutella. I think you should do Nutella with strawberry and banana. That's because I want that.
I know. I'm like, that's what you want.
Why would you? All right, P. I think we're ready. Yeah. All right, so P is the owner over there, and he's gonna hook us up.
16 slices.
Mom looks excited, but I think we're gonna come out of here shaky. But this is all I wanted.
Oh, they got Kit Kat.
They got Kit Kat. Oh man, I didn't see that. Someone is not sleeping today. What is that?
This is yours. I'm not telling you till it's done.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
We got a surprise coming up. Want this? You can order this and they'll ship it to you. So we're gonna let you guys know how this is, but they'll ship it to you anywhere. California, Cookie Monster, and with some surprises, s'mores, Fruity Pebbles,
This smells good.
This is the healthiest you can get.
and this is the healthiest. But this is the junk. This is the junk right here. We're gonna eat.
This is diabetes and on a platter.
What are you eating?
I.
You eating pizza?
No, that's not pizza.
What is that?
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
It's not good.
I'm gonna try this Cookie Monster. All right, guys, this is a Cookie Monster right here.
Oh my gosh.
It's delicious. Oh my god.
Have you figured out what that blue stuff is?
It tastes really good.
Oh, you want more?
The Cookie Monster's the bomb. Wow.
We're not gonna finish this. I want coffee.
Coffee?
Hot chocolate. S'mores is really good.
It is. It is. But I think my favorite part of the s'mores is just the marshmallows.
Yes. Yes.
Thumbs up.
This is Christmas for a child. Oh my gosh.
What is this?
What is it? You eating it? You like it? Huh? It's good? Huh? It's cereal. You liking it? Look at your face.
So is there's colors.
There's colors on there?
Yes.
You're messy.
Moves?
No.
Let's go wash your hands. Come on.
Let's go wash your hands.
Alright, so this place was a thumbs up. So I give it a thumbs up. Sue, you give it a thumbs up?
I give it a thumbs up. Definitely
Give it a thumbs up?
the dessert pie.
I give it a shaky thumbs up.
She's like a shaky,
shaky
this is
thumbs
how it is right now, shaky thumbs up. Because it's just too much chocolate.
You can never have too much chocolate though, for real.
Pete, thumbs up, I like it. Thanks. I'll be back. With a bigger squad this time. Bye guys. Take care. Smile more often. I like to see the smiles. Told them to smile more often. Because when we first got here, they weren't happy. I don't know, you know? But yeah. So now we got a ride back home, 45 minutes.
Now we're back in the city. And yeah, we enjoyed ourselves. The only thing we can say, like we said in the beginning, is that we wish the workers were a bit friendlier because it felt like we weren't welcome in the beginning. You know what I mean? And I mean, we weren't there for friendship or anything like that, but it would be better if the place felt a little bit more warm, welcoming. But the dessert definitely made up for it, and the owner was there, and
he was awesome.
He was awesome.
He was great.
It was great, and he was the friendliest among all of them. But yeah, we didn't even know he was the owner until later on. But yeah, we definitely enjoyed it. We recommend the place for dessert. You guys should go check them out. Also, we didn't know that they had other menus on Instagram. Like, they have special menus on Instagram, so definitely check them out. I'll link them down below. So
That's good.
it was good. I thought it was worth the drive over there. Well, thanks everyone for watching. Give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments down below what else you want us to check out here in New York City or around the area. And we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye guys.